Are you preparing for JAMB 2025? This video is for you. Do you want to score 300 and above in JAMB 2025? This video is for you. Are you preparing for JAMB 2025? Please watch this video to the end. I'm going to reveal to you proven strategies for success, tips, things you need to know, what you need to do to score 300 plus in JAMB 2025. The first thing I want you to know is that you need to understand the exam delay. You have to understand the exam you're preparing for, what you're expected to do, what you need to know, the things you have to do to score 300 and above. The first thing you need to know is have understanding of the exam you're preparing for. JAMB, you're writing 4 subjects. For any course you're going for, you are writing 4 subjects. So you have to understand the exam, understand the subject combination. If you can score 75 in the 4 subjects, 75 and above, your 300 plus is achievable. This, for the JAMB exam, you have a total of 400. That's 100, 100 in each, and then 400 for the whole. So if you're preparing for this exam, target like 75 for each of the subjects, so that the 4 subjects will give you a total of 300. Now, I said target 75 and above, so that if you drop, at least it won't drop too much. So have understanding of the exam you're preparing. The next thing you need to do is start early. You have to start preparing now. You have to start preparing early. Start building up little by little. Don't wait until April. The exam will start properly in April. I'm going to do another video, what you need for the registration, the reprinting and all that, all the things you need. But now I'm just building the foundation to prepare your mind on how you can target 300 plus in JAMB 2025. So what do you need to do? Start preparing now. Start preparing early. Don't wait until March, April. No, it's going to be late. Start building up bit by bit. Have a study plan. You can decide to take, since you're going for 4 subjects, you can decide to take 1 subject in a day, 1 subject in a day. Have a study plan. Then you need to practice. Practice CBT. It's computer-based test, so you need to practice. And you need to practice with past questions. Practice with apps. I'm recommending myschool.ng. It's a good app. You can practice with it. There is also this past question, Prep 50. It will help you prepare topic by topic. For each subject, you're going to study based on the topics. That's why I prefer Prep 50. Please start preparing now. Don't joke with past question. Please don't joke with past question. Keep practicing. If you practice well, it's going to help you. And now in the exam hall, what are you expected to do? Be time conscious. If you want to score 300 and above, you need to be time conscious. You have to be very conscious of time. Anyone you don't know, just leave it and go back later. Go to the ones you know and then come back to those ones you're not sure of later. Then use elimination method. Remember that this exam is objective, so you can use elimination method to streamline and reduce the options to the correct ones. For physics, if you know your unit, if you know formulas, it will help you to be able to target what should be the correct answer. Remember, in this channel, we'll do tutorials, mathematics, physics, and in any way I can help for this 2025 JAMB, I'll keep bringing up things. So don't forget to like this video, turn the bell notification so that you don't miss out of tutorials, and then share this link and invite other people. Thank you. I'm wishing you well for this JAMB 2025, and I want to see testimony. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Drop your questions. I'm going to attend to them. I've done so many tutorials for physics, mathematics. You can go through these videos, and remember, there are formulas you need to know if you want to do well in subjects that have calculation like physics. So go through those formulas over and over again and prepare yourself for the forthcoming JAMB. See you in the next video.